Hey everybody, Missy here, and Cricut Design Space has recently pushed out an update that changes the way you're going to work with single line fonts. I wanted to do a quick video to show what has changed and what we all need to do in order to work with these fonts. The newest version that I have is version 6.5.93. It'll always show at the top, or you can go to Help, About in your menu, and it'll show you the version number there on a little pop-up. All right, let's dive into a project, type out some sample text, and we can see what it's now doing that it didn't do before. So as always, when you first type out text, it's going to show up in Cricut Sans, the default font. I'm going to change over to Succuline, which is the single line version of my Succulent font. As you can see here, it is not going to show an actual preview of the font. That's fine. But click on the font, and suddenly the box where the text appears is blank. Doesn't matter how big or small you make it, it's not going to show up yet. What you're going to need to do is click on the box of text itself so that all four of your corner icons turn that darker gray. Then go up to the Operations section. As you can see right here, this is a solid black box and it's on Basic Cut. Basically, it wants to fill in a solid shape with black. You need to change this over to Pen, and then it is applying a stroke to these lines instead of a solid fill. And you can actually change the size of the stroke it applies. You can change the color, lots of fun color options there. Cricut Design Space used to apply that fine stroke to everything, no matter what it was. You would bring in a cut file, it would apply that fine stroke. You would do a print and cut, it would apply that fine stroke. It made things a little easier to see, but it also kind of added this weird thickness to things. So I'm glad they got rid of it, but you now have to go through this extra step of typing out your text, selecting the text box, and then changing over to pen style in order to work with single line fonts. So I hope this helps you all. Thanks for your time, and happy crafting!